MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on derived platform. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's website or platform that is not regulated. Make sure they are registered and regulated in your zone before you commit your time, effort and money to that kind of platform. We have a lot of forex brokers that are scammers outside there. Please be guided. Do not trade on any forex brokers that are not regulated. Make sure you check them out. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers. Check them out and see if they are regulated, and make sure you practice on their demo account. Do not go live on any broker's platform except you've tested and you are sure that everything is okay on their demo account before you go live. And do not add any fund on your demo account. Don't say because it is free and add a lot of thousands or millions of dollars to trade on demo account. Do not do that. Only deposit money that you afford to add or deposit in your real account. Do not add any fund on your demo account that you cannot afford to deposit on your real account. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning any pairs you want to trade. And you can check other forex news aggregator, but make sure you do that before you go live or you take any trade. It is important that you do that. If there's any news concerning any pair you want to trade, make sure you stay away from that particular pair 30 minutes before and the 30 minutes after. Better still, you can stay away from that particular pairs for the day, since you have other alternative or option to trade. Always make sure you check it out and trade on regulated forex brokers. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex strategy that you can use on regulated forex brokers. Now I have combined few indicators together to come up with this particular strategy. As a matter of fact, this is just 3 indicators on my chart, and I will explain how to use each and all the indicators combined together to give us a perfect entry and exit. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain how to use these winning forex tools that I've combined together and to test it out on regulated forex brokers. Make sure you do that on demo account. Any strategy, try it out on demo account before you go live with it. Now on my chart, I have my TFF indicator here on the indicator window, my TFF on the indicator window here. I have the orange color and the aqua color. The orange, when the orange color is above, is a buy signal, sell signal rather, and when the aqua color is above, is a buy signal. And the second indicator I added to my chart is a moving average. This is just a single moving average with a different level on my chart. And the last indicator is a fractal indicator that I've added to my chart to give us a good entry and exit point, or you use a fixed or rigid stop loss and take profit. Either you want to use 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio or 1-to-2, all depends on you. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. Now that you know all the indicators I use for this particular strategy, number one thing you have to look out for, the candle must close below all the moving averages. As I said, this is just a single moving average with different levels, and I'm going to show you how to do that. But follow me closely, know how to use it first, so that I'll show you how to go about it. So the candle must close below the last level of this moving average, and number two, this indicator must be, the aqua color must be below, and this orange color must be above for a sell. And if you check closely, this is not where the signal actually started. We have a sell signal before this particular day. Then let's go back a bit so that we'll be able to check it out. Now this is where we have the first sell signal, and let me use that particular point as an example. We have a close below this moving average, and the TFF indicator, the aqua color is below and the orange color is above for a sell. So this is an agreement, and the last indicator, the fractal indicator, we have the arrow here, and we have another point to enter a sell trade here, and this is how to use that. So once you place your trade, your stop loss is just going to be few pips above the previous high, or you use this one, all depends on you, and you write your trend. Yes, another point to enter more. Yes, another point to enter more, since this is the red, orange rather, and here we have a total breakaway from this particular channel for a good ride, and you will have make serious money trading this particular strategy. And this is how to use this. This is Euro USD on 15-minute time frame. This particular strategy can be used on any time frame you want, and it can be used on any pairs. You can use it on Forex pairs like a Euro USD, as I have it on my chart right now. You can use it on indices like NASDAQ, US30, and the likes. And then you can use this on metal like gold, silver. You can use this on cryptocurrency like Doji, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the pairs, either BTC, USDT, or BTC, USD, Ethereum, USD, and the likes, as long as you have it on your MT4. And this can be used to trade stocks like Amazon stock, Facebook stock, Google stocks, as many as you have on your MT4. So this strategy is cool, and I want you to follow it and practice it on your regulated Forex broker on their demo account. So this is a sell signal. Now let's look out for a buy setup for this particular Forex tools that have combined together, and this did deliver and give us a good profit. And here where the market is about to turn, though we have the first indicator in agreement, a buy, we have a buy here, and this did not close well above the moving average, but at this particular point we have it here, so we can place our trade. Then your stop loss will just be either below this moving average, just few pips below it, or below the previous low. So all depends on you, and ride the trend. Now let's check this on other pairs like a US tech or NASDAQ. Here is it on 15 minutes. It's still the same principle. Just make sure you follow it closely. Here we have just few pips to the upside before the market turn, and for a sell we have a good ride here. We will recover and make more money using this particular strategy for a sell here. Here's another sell signal here. Then you ride your trend, and it did deliver. No strategy is 100% accurate, and that is why it is important you follow good money management. No matter how good your strategy is, make sure you follow good money management. Here is another buy setup at this particular point. Here is another setup at this point, stop loss here, then you ride the trend. Here is another buy here, closed above, and this is not a good trade for me, because this candle is just too long for me. But if you want to take it, it is good. Just make sure you know what you are doing, and stop loss just few pips below this level, and you ride your trend. Though it deliver, but it's not much. And let's check another pairs before I end this video and show you the setup. Here is good on the 1 hour time frame. Here is good on 1 hour time frame. We have a good setup here. We have the arrow for a buy, and the aqua color was above. So this is a good setup for a buy. And for a sell, here we have a close below this level, and this is above. The dark orange is above for a sell, and if you look at it very well, it's not delivering yet, but it won't have hit our stop loss. And if you want to use it on lower time frame, you can do that. Here is it on 15-minute time frame. This is good on regulated forex broker. And for a sell on 15-minute time frame, we have a good setup here. Just stop loss with just a few pips above this level, and you ride your trend. And for a buy, we have a setup here, and this is a good ride, and we have the arrow. So all the three indicators were in agreement. All the three indicators were in agreement at this particular point. Now let me show you the indicators and the setting, though I'm going to include my template so that you can use my template, but I want you to see how I set it up. The indicators I have the fractal indicator here that gives us this arrow and the color on my chart, this candle color and the arrow. So this is the fractal indicator, and these are the setting. You can play with the setting, or you pause the video and check what I have used. Then for the moving averages, I use period 62, shift is 0, and MA period is simple. MA method rather is simple. Then apply to close, and I use low as the color. And on the level right now, this is where I have all the level, and the main MA is this color here, this thick line. Then I have the other levels here. So I added level 30, level minus 30, 60, minus 60, then 90 and minus 90. We have all the minus at the down level and the plus at the other side, which is the upper side of the main MA period, and I use a silver color. So if you want to add it, just click add and put the number if you want to, like 100, and add minus 100 just for an example, and click OK. And the last indicator I use is TFF indicator, and these are the levels. I only use level 0 here. Then the colors, these are the color that I use. I turn the other color off because I do not need it. And these are the values for this particular indicator. Make sure you check it out or use my template. It is simple and anyone can use it. These are the settings and values for all the indicators I use, but I did include my template and it's in the video description. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and check Forex Factory before you go live on any pairs you want to trade. It is important that you do that. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do give me a thumb up. It is important that you trade on regulated forex broker. Very, very important. Do not waste your time practicing on a broker's platform that is not regulated. Make sure you trade with regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I drop some links to some of these regulated forex brokers, I have been using them and I do not have any issue trading with them, either depositing money or withdrawing my hard-earned money. Please trade on regulated forex broker. Trade on regulated forex broker. I say it again, trade on forex regulated brokers, and make sure you demonstrate any strategy before you go live with it, either paid indicators or paid forex signal or paid forex strategy. Make sure you try it out on your demo account, on your forex trading demo account before you go live. It is advisable you do that. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.